Swaikab and welcome back to another video. I'm making this quick video because I saw in a Fuji rumors comment that this person was not able to find or believes that there is no focus peaking during video shooting, and actually that feature has been in the H1, and then trying to film the top view with this X-T2 that belonged to a friend of mine, and I'm getting the same sort of focus peaking. And so if I do press the scroll wheel at the back here, you can see that you can zoom in, and this is also recording. You can see the red mark over there, and just now the touchscreen activated and moved to another spot. But I can move the screen while it's recording, and then if you see, there is a red line on it that allows me to see the focus peaking while recording as well. So now the red is at the back on the blue car. Then let me move to the red car. I believe that's a Lamborghini. So now it's in focus. It's getting a little red, but since it's a red car, it's hard to see the red lines, but I can see the red lines on the wheels. But then move back to this yellow sports car, and then the red line slowly starts to appear on the wheel. So I will turn off the recording here and go into the menu. The X-T2 menu is a little bit different from the H1, so I'll just be looking into the menu of the H1 here. For the H1, menu focus assist movie, and then that's where you can turn on peaking, and that will be the main thing to turn on, it seems. This one seems to be something for during when there's manual focus, but it seems like whatever button you use. So this one is for possibly when you do manual focus. So just now I switched to normal, like autofocus. If I switch to the back, it's auto-focusing, and if I switch to manual focus, now it comes back. So this seems to be a feature only for manual focus. So to the person who commented, it seems that you need to be in manual focus to activate it. Now if I do like a button, the back focus button, that doesn't seem to work. So in conclusion, it's the movie assist in the menu section, and just to turn on the focus peaking, and then to remember to use manual mode in the camera as well. Now maybe in sort of other situation, if you are actually doing or using the autofocus, and then you want to sort of switch or want to check focus peaking, and that is not working, that might be something that Fuji should be checking in. For me personally, who still uses some manual focus most of the time, just to be sure that I am like in control, being able to just sort of click a button during recording, like so. Right now I click recording, being able to push a button to be able to tell it to sort of focus directly there instead of me. Of course I would want to sort of manual focus sometimes, but in other times while recording, maybe I just want to click the back button focus instead. But on the other hand, I can just switch to auto, and then if I know the point that I want it to be focused, especially when I'm shooting a scene that is sort of still like this, where the person is just standing still and talking, maybe this one will be fine. Anyways, hopefully this is useful to anyone, and I'll see you all next time. Bye for now.